Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho.
Hello there, my tools. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. If you are new tuning in, let me give you a warm welcome, 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 welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. I thought you guys that it was extremely necessary that I do another video like this. I have not done one like this in many years. So I'm feeling good, and I decided that I would share with you guys some of my favorite products that you guys maybe want to consider for your stocking stuffers or for your beauty baskets, or just good gifts for those people in your house that are DIY hairstylers, or just you yourself, or maybe your significant other, or just anybody in your family, because every day, especially us females, we're constantly doing something with our hair, even if it is just laying down baby hairs. So I just wanted to share with you guys some really cool products that you may want to consider for those stocking stuffers, for him, for her, for those nephews, those nieces, aunties, uncles, grandmas, granddads, your mom, your dad, yourself. Some affordable hair products that work, in my opinion. At least they work for me. Hopefully they will work for you, but you won't be breaking the budget, you guys, because these products are extremely affordable. So here on the East Coast, all these products that I'm going to share with you each cost $10 or less. FYI, depending on your geographic location, price point can change. Also, you guys, all of these products are accessible. You can go directly to the product's website to purchase these products, or you can go to various websites such as eBay, Amazon, and find these products. And you can go to your local drugstore, your local grocery store, your local beauty supply store. You should be able to find these products hands down. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump into it. So today's video is going to be surrounded around shampoos, hair gels that will make for awesome gifts that you guys may want to consider. So let's go ahead, let's jump into it. The first product that I want to share with you guys is this particular hair gel, you guys. This is the Eco Styler hair gel. Eco Style hair gels are one of my favorite gels because they have a variety of different gels that you can choose from depending on your lifestyle. So that's definitely a plus. Now this particular size is a 16 floral ounce. But if you're looking for a size that's more so stocking stuffer size, they do have some of their gels that come in a smaller size than this. Now, if you want one about this size, I believe it cost me roughly $3 or $4, maybe $5 tops, for this particular 16 floral ounce in my local grocery store. Now, in a beauty supply store, their prices run slightly a little bit higher, so it could be different. But at my local grocery store, this product was definitely less than $5. If you guys are wondering specifically which one this is the Argan Oil Eco Style hair gel. It does give me more of a hold. This is a 10. This is also for all hair types, so you don't have to be concerned about that. And also my favorite, it is a water-based gel. You guys can look at this. You can tell this is one of my favorite gels. I only just have a little bit back there in the back that you guys really can't see, and I am using it sparingly because that's just what I do. But you guys, you won't break the bank by purchasing this. So this will definitely make for a good gel. You can use this in protective styles. This does a wonderful job in natural protective hairstyles. It also does great with braids as well, but I typically like to use this more so in my natural protective hairstyles. Now, you guys, my other favorite hair gel is, and it's not really a gel, it's a jam, is the Shine and Jam. You guys know that I have talked about this product years and years ago. I love using this hair jam in my installment of braids. I think it just gives me more of a sleek look. It gives me more of a great hold, and I just really like it. Now this is a hold 8, but this does well for me for my braid installs. Okay, it is a extra hold, and it is a conditioning gel, you guys. Whew, look at that. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have been going in on this particular hair jam for my protective hairstyles. Now, I believe for this particular size, which is a 4 ounce, it was $5 or less. This definitely could fit in a stocking, should you want to fill someone's stocking with this. Now, I don't prefer that you get this for a man. This would probably be better for a female, but you know, whatever, whoever you decided to get it for, but it's definitely affordable and it smells wonderful. The smell does not linger, so you don't have to worry. The same thing with the Eco Style Gel. The scent, it's hardly a scent to the Eco Style Gel, but whatever scent that these may have, y'all, it goes away almost immediate. But I would definitely consider both of these for a great stocking stuffer. You can rest assured that the receiver will definitely use both of these gels or jam. My next favorite product is Sesame Blue. You guys, this is one of my favorite shampoos to purchase. So if you have a loved one that suffers with dandruff really bad or just an itchy dry scalp, Sesame Blue now have their line of natural product, and this may be something that you want to consider purchasing. Him or her can use this particular shampoo. This is a daily shampoo. If you are one of those people that wash your hair daily, it does not matter your hair type, you can use this particular shampoo. This is an anti-dandruff salicylic acid 3%. This is a 11 floral ounce. You guys, this has lasted me almost forever. This is all that I have left, so not a whole lot. I do not use this daily, but when I did need it, you guys, it definitely helped me a lot and made a difference in my scalp. So I definitely recommend this. This can go into stocking as well. It's not that big or bulky. It does have a little length to it, but not so much so that you cannot get this in a stocking stuffer, depending on the size of your stocking. But definitely would make for a good gift. And also, by the way, you guys, it smells wonderful. It smells very delicious. Now, for this particular product, it was under $10. Okay, you guys, so lastly, I want to talk about a shampoo and conditioner, and this shampoo and conditioner is by Mielle or Mielle. You guys, I'm not going to lie to you. Initially, I was done with Mielle because I did try one of those, I call them hair pastes, but I may be calling it the wrong name. Not a jam, not a gel, but it is supposed to help you with baby hairs, and I cannot think of what you call that. Anyway, I felt like I had a bad experience. I was like, I'm not using Mielle products anymore. But I went into my local store, and they had a sale on this particular shampoo and conditioner by Mielle, and I decided to give it a try. This is the Hawaiian Ginger. You guys, I absolutely love this product. This is a moisturizing and anti-breakage conditioner and shampoo, you guys. So because I do wear a lot of protective styles and I wear them back to back, I definitely want to make sure that before I install a protective style such as braids, that I want to make sure that I use an anti-breakage shampoo and conditioner just to kind of strengthen my strands and get it prepared to receive braids. So really like this. If you do sew-ins and things of that nature, you may want to consider using a shampoo like this just to strengthen your strands. Each bottle of this product cost me $9.99, so $20 for the pair. This does not include taxes. Keep in mind your geographic location may differ. You may end up paying a little bit more or a little bit less, I don't know, but $20 for me at the time when I purchased these products. Okay, smells absolutely wonderful, just like everything else that I've showed you. The scent does not linger. The conditioner leaves my hair feeling really good and easy to manage for me. It can do the same for you. Keep in mind, you guys, I am no doctor. I'm just showing you products that have been beneficial for me that could possibly make for a great Christmas gift or stocking stuffer, or for your beauty basket for him or her that you want to give to for the holidays, okay? So this is just something for you to consider. Also, you guys, I got some other things that I want to talk about with you. Since we're in the hair washing part of the video, I also want to talk about another product that I really like, and it is affordable. This is the Africa Best Originals hair mayonnaise. Y'all, I absolutely enjoy using this, and it typically lasts me an extremely long time because I do not use it every hair wash. This is a hair protein treatment, and although I have low porosity hair, every now and again my hair just needs a little bit of protein. So maybe every 6 months I may use this product. But for those whose hair does require protein treatment a little bit more often, this is cheap and affordable. You can find it almost anywhere. I believe I paid under $5 for this product. You get a lot of bang for your buck. This is a 15 floral ounce. It doesn't smell the best, but it's not a scent that lingers, but it does wonders for hair. I have used it as a washout, and I have used it as a leave-in. I don't recommend it as a leave-in, you guys. I am no hair professional or guru, but this works wonders when you put it in your hair and wash it out. It really just does something great for your hair. So it's something that you may want to try. Y'all know I got a thing for Pt.2. I have been using Pt.2 throughout my entire natural hair journey. For you guys that have been rocking with me, I mean rocking with me for a long time, you know that this is something that I have used. I am not a stranger to Pt.2 products. Really like it. This is the Pt.2 Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask, you guys. And let me just tell you, I had stopped using Pt.2 products for quite a few years because y'all that's been rocking with me, you know that I went from permed hair, natural hair, cut my hair, locked my hair, cut my hair again, and now I'm trying to go back natural. But going back to including a deep treatment mask in between protective styles for me right now has done wonders for my hair. This stuff smells absolutely beautiful. This is for natural curls, coils, and waves, and it restores and strengthens. So it's very important to me because, again, I want to keep my hair strong as possible. And I know that I do wear a lot of protective styles. For those ladies who do wear a lot of strenuous protective styles such as braids, maybe you do sew-ins and things like that can kind of just weigh your hair down, maybe a little bit of stress to your hair, you definitely want to make sure that in between these protective styles that you're definitely using products that's going to help rebuild the strength of your hair. So this is something that I would consider that you purchase. You can find Pt.2 almost at any store and online, or you can go direct to their website. But I know Pt.2 is typically an easy find. So I highly recommend that you consider this product too. I do believe I paid under $5, $5 or less for this product. Y'all, I forgot to talk about this product, and I should have spoken about it in the beginning when we were talking about gel and jam. I want to talk about the Oars Lock and Twist Gel. Y'all, I truly enjoy this particular product. I have had it for a little time. I've used this to install my last set of micro locks that I had that I took down. But I've also used this particular brand. It's in just regular protective styles, the install of braids, and just regular hair, my regular natural loose hair I've used to create protective styles. Really like it. It gives you a light hold, so if you're looking for something very light that's not going to be too heavy on the hair, this is something to consider. Or if you are locked and you are just retwisting your locks, this is something you might want to consider. I did pay maybe under $6 for this product or less. Definitely not beyond $10. It doesn't really have a true scent in my opinion, so you don't have to worry about that. This too, for the most part, is easy to find. In fact, just about all of the products that I've shared with you guys today should be very easy to find and affordable. Do I recommend all these products? Yes, all of these products were great for my hair, but as I have told you guys in the past before, when it comes to your hair, products are just trial and error. You just have to try different things to see what works for you. So if you are considering any of these hair products that I shared with you today as gifts, that's great, you guys, because again, it gives the individual the opportunity to try out these products for the first time, or maybe they've used these products and love them, so it's a win-win for you. So yeah, you guys, consider these products as stocking stuffers or Christmas gifts for those loved ones or close friends. And I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches.
Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho.